build an app without having to worry about what's on the device. Similarly, like a proof concept music app, just kind of shows some stuff, works the same way. And also even photos. So you can actually have photos. This is the same app we showed this morning, the exact same app, but running in the browser. So then take you to mail, which we showed earlier, a couple months ago, claimed it was proof of concept, but obviously we were fibbing a little bit. And so here's the mail. It looks a little bit better though. So for something like mail, the web view that we usually use to show HTML mail, we're not showing in the browser, so it just converts it to plain text. But there's actually something a little bit different going on with this app. So this app has the same inbox you might have noticed this morning in Sachin's demo. So this isn't fake data. This is actually data coming off the device. So if you add a single line to the manifest file for your app in Enyo, it'll actually retrieve every single service call, every single bit of data off the device over USB. So it does this using the same exact web plugin that Aries uses to communicate with the device. So all you need is a web browser and a device hooked up over USB. So it's pretty cool, and we'll see if the demo gods are going to shine upon me. So I can actually send a message to this email address, and hopefully within a few seconds, see it pop up on the browser. So this is actually pretty cool. It's pretty neat. A bunch of people on the team are actually using this instead of Outlook on the team. It's actually better than their web client. It's our web client. So it's actually pretty neat, and you can delete messages on here and then delete it on the device. Everything actually just kind of works. It's a pretty neat little thing we did. So the other thing is, if you want to actually inspect elements, just to prove that all still works, there you go. There's the code, there's the CSS. Console works too. It's a bunch of errors for everyone to see. And you can kind of view everything there. So that's the first of the two things I was going to show you. Next one is Aries. So we haven't had a chance to update Aries for Enyo, but we've had a chance to do a little bit of it. So I want to show you a couple things. So one of them is, we hid this little flag in Aries last summer. So this actually works in today's Aries. So you do question mark res, and then whatever value you want, that's the size of the canvas you're going to get. So this actually works today. Similarly, there's a hidden flag in the Palm emulator that you already have. So if you launch Palm emulator from the command line, and you do -- resolutions, and then also like 1024x768, the emulator is going to launch in that resolution. So it's hidden, but it's there now. Feel free to use it. So obviously we did not share that with it tips and things off. So I'm going to create a new application really quick in Aries. So you can tell this is actually a bigger canvas than I can even project. So you can't quite see the whole thing, but I'm just going to create a really simple maps application. So drag the new Enyo Maps widget out. So actually, again, it's still just like the rest of Aries. This is JavaScript in the web, so it actually just works even in design mode. And then I'm going to do a couple of things with it. So one, I'm going to actually install this on a touchpad that I have here with me. And as soon as that's done, I'm actually going to also install it on a pre-3 I have next to me. So coming over to the pre-3, so you can see this is exactly the same app, exactly the same code in Enyo, deployed to 2 different devices with 0 changes in between. So this now works, scrolls around, flip to Arial, it all actually works, it shows its 4 piece. Now if I come over to the touchpad, same exact app, and then note these are different pixel densities too. Same exact radio buttons, all finger size, and an app that just works. Cool. So that's just a little peek at what Enyo can do. So, what did we learn today?